Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Nova Y62 with exquisite design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.52 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 82.69% screen-to-body ratio, 269 ppi. Pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on EMUI 12 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex A53, powered by Huawei HiSilicon Kirin 710 chipset, paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.28 by 75.8 by 8.94 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. The color options: sapphire blue, midnight black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, no Google Play services, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova Y62 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 3,699 South African Rand, and around $199 US dollars, 55,999 Pakistani rupees, 16,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y62 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.